Hey everybody! So today we're going to play a little game with our Irish words and see if we can remember to say them. So Codatá sa chisean, what's in my basket? Okay, dún de hula, close your eyes. Agus Codatá sa chisean, cod é seo. Banya, anawa. Cod eile sa chisean. Okay, dún de hula. Close your eyes. Agus cod é seo. Im. Anawa ar fad. Im. Agus dún de hula ríis. Close the eyes again. Agus cod eile sa chisean. Cos. Anawa. Cheese. Cos. Well done. Keep practicing those Irish words. You're getting really good. Okay, cod eile sa chisean. What else is in the basket? Oh, cod atá sa chisean. Úl. Anawa. Tá úl sa chisean. There was an apple in the basket. Okay, dún de hula ríis. Agus cod eile sa chisean. Brisky. Anawa. Brisky. Yummy, yummy. Okay. Cod eile sa chisean. Ooh. Cod atá sa chisean. Shockloida. You're right. Anawa ar fad. Shockloida. Okay. Agus cod eile sa chisean. Ooh. Arán. Anawa ar fad. Arán sa chisean. Dimmer an cluiche seo sa bhaile. I want you to play this game at home. See if you can play it with somebody at home. What's in the basket, and see if you can get all of the words right. You can send me a video or you can just play the game at home. Whatever you feel like doing. Slán!